So this is a high volume node. We can also call it as a mountain, but right before that we have something that is called the shelf, and this is the area that if price reject this area, then it's rejecting the value of this high volume, so to say. So we can even mark it as a high conviction zone. This is something that I use in my day-to-day trading. So we have an area of demand plus an area where volume confluences is also aligning. Plus we do have institutional activity in that zone. So now we just have to gauge the order flow to see if when price pulls back to that area, if we get a confirmation or not. So what do we want to see on the confirmation? We want to see sellers, in this case, since price is coming from the top side, we want the sellers to come into this area of demand and not get rewarded. And what does rewarded mean? It means that if sellers are selling but price is going higher, they are getting absorbed by a market limit order, or not a market limit order, a limit order. So let's actually gauge the order flow and see what actually happened when price came to that level. And for the confirmation, I mostly use M1 with custom big trades filter, but also the footprint chart. So let's check it on the M1 instead, because it is beautiful. It is simply just so easy to see. You can clearly see that you have heavy selling going on here. You have 1,000 contracts of selling, and this is currently rewarding those sellers. And by this, I mean that sellers are selling and price is going lower. So therefore, we have to check what is happening when price is reaching our sniper entry zone. So let's go, let's replay the charts and see what is happening when price is approaching a level of interest. All right, so now market is approaching our level of interest, and we are extremely interested to see what happens inside of this blue zone, because this is also aligning with a monthly volume profile. This is the shelf of that. So we see that we do have heavy aggressive selling going on coming into our zone. So let's see what happens. So nothing is confirmed right now. Then we have a lot more selling. So we see that the sellers are really pushing. So keep in mind, this is not happening at any specific area. It is happening in our specific area. Sorry, it is happening in our specific area. It is not happening at any random area. That's what I meant to say. So we are seeing heavy amount of selling. So now we just have to see if these sellers are getting rewarded or if price is going against them. And what do I mean by that? Look at this. So we have heavy amount of selling, but look how slowly the price is going down. You see a lot of orders being transacted here. So keep in mind that there could be a limit buy order, and all these aggressive sellers, and with aggressive sellers I mean market sell orders, are actually providing liquidity to the limit